When you were a kid, did you ever want to be like Superman, able to see through walls? Well, now you can, thanks to ground penetrating radar. You see that? That's the rebar lattice that's currently reinforcing this wall, and it's been projected on there using augmented reality. The whole thing has been mapped out using this device that fits into the palm of my hand. It's part of the ground penetrating radar range from Proceq Screening Eagle, and all of them fundamentally work in the same way. They're a radar device that's controlled by an iOS app that allows you to visualize exactly what's underneath without having to return to the office for heavy processing. So I've chosen the GP8100 because it's the one that covers the most area as you go. And Marcus is going to help me with the iPad. It's a really simple operation. So we choose line scan, and then from there, we just press that to start the line scan. And then from there, once it's started, I can see the screen. And as I go, oh, there's a bit of rebar. And the great thing about it is it's tracking the wheels. So as I come back to the rebar, I can go back and forward, and there I've caught it. Very simple. I mark the rebar in place, and that means I'm not going to drill into it. It's simple, it's quick, it's effective. But if you want to understand more about the concrete, find objects that aren't running perpendicular to your line, or identify the back wall, then an area scan is the best option to choose. So Marcus, if we just find area scan on the app, and then I'm going to roll it along these lines. Now, of course, you can use these handy bits of paper that come with the instrument, or you can mark out your own grid. It's really up to you. And we've finished the scan. Now we can totally visualize it in the app. We've got a slice here, so we can move up and down through the depth, and we can even go through the different line scans and interrogate the data and use 3D functionality. We can see that perfect lattice of rebar that's inside the concrete. You can create and share an image of what you've scanned immediately, calibrate the depth, tag objects like rebar or the back wall, clean it up and export the data straight to the cloud. With Workspace, you can collaborate easily with your team as all the data is accessible anywhere and can be brought in from multiple devices. And the niftiest thing you can do is use the augmented reality function to project the rebar lattice onto its actual location for the ultimate visualization. So that's it. We've mastered seeing through concrete. Now I just need to work on my flying and I'm essentially Superman.